Can't log into Salesforce? Is it down for everyone or just you? Stop guessing. Here's how to check in 30 seconds. So you're sitting there trying to log in and nothing happens. Maybe you get an error message, maybe the page just spins and spins. Your first thought is probably, is it me or is it them? And let's be honest, if you're like most Salesforce users I've worked with, you don't have time to hunt around for answers. You need to know right now. So here's the plan. We'll go to the Salesforce Trust website, find your specific issue, and confirm the status in 3 simple steps. You'll go from panicking to knowing in less than a minute. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and head over to trust.salesforce.com. Now, I've been using Salesforce for years, and I can tell you this is the one place you should always go first. Not Twitter, not Reddit, not asking your coworker. Trust.salesforce.com is the official status page straight from Salesforce themselves. It's updated in real time, and it covers every single service they offer. So type that in, hit enter, and let the page load. It usually loads pretty fast, but give it a second if it's a little slow. Once you're on the page, go ahead and scroll down. You're looking for the section that says Current Status. This is the heart of the page right here. And here's the thing. You'll see a big list of all the different Salesforce services. Things like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Platform Events, Chatter, you name it. What you want to do is scan that list and find the service that matches what you're trying to use. Maybe you're trying to log into Sales Cloud. Maybe it's Experience Cloud. Whatever it is, find that name in the list. Now pay attention to this part. Each service has a little colored dot next to it. Green means everything is working normally. Yellow or amber means there's some kind of performance issue. Red means there's an active outage. And if you see a gray dot, that means they're doing planned maintenance. In my experience, this is where most people get tripped up. They don't realize that color coding tells you the whole story at a glance. So take a moment and really look at the dot next to your service. Now that you've found your service, go ahead and click on that status indicator. Not the name of the service, but the actual colored dot or the status text next to it. When you do, a panel will open up with much more detail. This is where you'll see the full picture. You'll find a description of the issue, what time it started, and any updates from the Salesforce team about when they expect it to be fixed. Sometimes they'll even include workarounds or steps you can take in the meantime. So read through that information carefully. It might say something like, users may experience difficulty logging in, and we are working on a resolution. And that's your answer. That confirms it's not just you. It's a real issue on their end. Now you can stop troubleshooting your own setup and just wait for them to resolve it. And that's really all there is to it. Next time you're stuck and wondering if Salesforce is down, you know exactly where to go. The Trust site is your friend. Bookmark it, keep it handy, and you'll save yourself a ton of frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.